Hey, what's up, guys? It's your girl Simone Cherise. I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm doing a brunch. It's going to be called Blossom and Brunch, a butterfly release event. And the reason why it's called that is because it is a way for us to bring all positive vibes, okay, to this brunch, release our inner demons, have a panel discussion, bottomless mimosas, food that's included, and gift bags, okay? Towards the end of the event, we will be releasing live butterflies, guys. I'm so excited for this event. Tickets are down below, and I would love for you guys to come. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Simone Cherise, and today I am vlogging, okay? I'm vlogging. It's only gonna be a one-day daily vlog. I'm not gonna go all nuts. I'm still trying to get used to vlogging, so this is going to be quite an interesting ride. Well, I have good news, and I'm gonna actually spill the beans when I get in the car, so yeah. So I got approved for an apartment, and I'm supposed to be moving in on June 1st. So today is May 3rd. So I move in June 1st. I'm so freaking nervous because I mean, it's an apartment and it's probably the biggest bill I have, well, will have. So it's really exciting, but I'm so nervous and I have no idea how to decorate it. So I'm so scared. My first apartment. It's not too far from where my aunt is, but it's not like in the city, and I have like, I'll tell you guys about the whole like apartment process, but I kind of kept it kind of like hush hush because I didn't want you know, I don't like jinxing myself and stuff. I didn't want like to talk about it and then it doesn't happen. So I was like, you know what, let me just keep it on the hush. I looked at about 100 apartments, or I'm lying, but I looked at about, I want to say I looked at about a lot of apartments, guys. It was like, I was so exhausted that I kind of finally narrowed it down to 2, and I was like, if I don't get one of those, forget about it until next 2 months, because I was so exhausted from looking at a whole bunch of apartments. But sidebar, the other night I was up because I had like 4 cups of coffee, so I couldn't sleep. So I love African music. I'm Jamaican, but I love African music and Afro soca and all of that. So one night I was watching a whole bunch of like videos, so I was trying to get more new African music to add to my playlist. So then all these videos started like popping up on my suggestions. Like, you know, as you watch one video, you look down, and like I was watching so much choreography videos like of like African dances to the point where I'm obsessed. Like I have it everywhere. Like, who is calling me?
Where are you now?
Oh wait, I don't know where I'm at. I'm on. Ready? Get ready? Hey. But now I'm obsessed. I'm like, can somebody teach me? Teach me how to do the dances. I was trying to do the guava, and I was just like, it wasn't working. I'm like, ugh. So onto this apartment. I meant to go to Target immediately, but I'm gonna go get some Mexican food right now in the area because I'm so hungry. I'm getting a headache, so I'm gonna go get some Mexican food right now. It's a lot, but I really want to get the apartment out the way. I don't know where I'm gonna shop. I mean, I know where I want some of my items from so far. Like, I know I want from a lot of things from Wayfair, and I do want a lot of like things from like, you know, Home Goods and stuff, but I'm not trying to like think too big. I know I'm not gonna get everything that I want immediately. It's gonna take time to gradually buy everything. Like, you know, you don't know what you want your style to do like yet. So I'm gonna kind of like take time to like think about that, like, you know, as the time goes on. But I know like the major things I want are my bed, besides the necessities like forks, spoons, knives, and things like that. I know I want my bed, my sofa, bed, sofa, computer desk, that's important, and electronics. Those are like the 4 like areas that I really want to focus on. Sorry guys if you can't see me, but the sun is like beaming. I mean, I need a TV. If I don't have a TV, I will die. I'm telling you, I will die. I need a TV. I want 2, but I'm gonna start off with 1 right now. I'm kind of waiting until Mother's Day or Memorial Day for like a sale before I go ahead and buy, because it should be cheaper. Why is this guy parked in 2 spots? I just had shrimp quesadilla. I'm telling you, open my teeth. I'm still waiting for my aunt. and my cousin, and I ate 2 bags of these chips. So I'm pretty full right now, and I'm ready to go to Target. It's good, it's just so damn cheesy. Oh. At this point, I knew it was time to stop eating because it was tasting more and more disgusting. I don't feel. So you're not pulling in. But why would you lie? You have to like, you're not pulling in. Just finished eating. Now I'm gonna go to Target. So I think like what, 3 hours just passed by. Alright, so I don't know. I'm so full. I don't know, I've been so tired and just like feeling like shit. Hopefully I feel a little bit better by the time I get there, but I don't know. I just need like a day off or something. Go. I don't have a lot of things in my cart, but this is what we got so far.
What up?
What up, we got,
so you know.
This is my little brother.
And her uncle.
Yes. This is my little brother.
And her uncle.
Yes. So these gold bowls, these are cute. And then these for making drinks. It's kind of blurry. Hold on, focus.
So that's what this one is for.
Yeah.
In the shop.
And then that one's to scoop out the ice.
This is to strain. This is to open up the
You
beer.
sound mad Jamaican when you just said that. Scoop out the ice.
And then I got this cup that says, "Hello, gorgeous."
I think that's really cute.
So fetch. And then this one to order y'all wig. I mean to measure y'all wigs. I mean to weigh y'all wigs.
It's for shopping.
So cute for me, right?
Yeah, for you. Is that a dog bed for my dog?
Oh, I saw mad dogs in the drive-thru when they would come to Starbucks.
Oh my god, I like that. That's so nice.
You're such a liar.
I really love fur. I'm such a fur connoisseur. I mean, fake fur. I love it. For the sofa?
I think I'm gonna get
For the
into
bed.
interior.
There you go. Cha.
I'm sick of you guys.
Oh, Home Goods had these big 20 by 20 fur pink pillows.
Oh, you should have got those.
Yeah, but one of them was a little dirty, so I was like, I'm gonna wait till I got another one. No. It was like stained in like blue ink. But they had 3 and 2 of them was on fire. Oh my god.
This is cute.
That's
Oh my
cute.
god, can somebody get me a plant pole?
This is
Rebecca
really
and
cute.
Tommy.
Oh, I like this. What is
That's
it?
nice.
I pointed it out.
You get 2 points. Oh look, it's goes with a thing maybe.
No, it's for plants.
Ooh. Oh yeah, you did that.
She
you
did.
did that.
What did I do?
You just stood there. Wait, I think I need a kettle. Oh,
No, that's to water your plant.
I know.
Look at these that I was putting in that stuff.
What's the point of these? Good luck.
It's just to put in your vase to fill it up. But I was really drinking a lot.
Oh.
What are those?
Oh my god, this is so
Yeah.
cute.
Okay.
No, this is like
Good things come to those
good
who
things
hustle.
come those who hustle. Jamaican proverb.
Wow.
Cover up your chest before you catch cold. You like this? You like that?
Put it on your. If you don't get
Oh.
white, you get a gray.
Yes.
Gray couch.
I like this.
And this
Talk
goes
the
on
things. Yes. Level up.
Yo, people really put cloth over their sofas still?
there.
Yeah.
The gray is really cute.
Yeah.
About interior
Cause I
design.
could put this over.
What? No,
Oh
not
my
in
God,
here. Not
look.
those ugly things.
It's a bigger version of your small one.
You made me about the ugly looking eyeballs. You hurt my pinky.
I'm sorry.
Tid.
You're raw.
With Ross. Okay, I need that blessed text. I mean, Burt's
You're
Bees.
raw, yo.
How my lips are dried and sandpaper.
I look just dry like I'm already there.
Oh, I hope you're watching this.
You might like it, you might like it.
Lips is dry like dishes.
Dry like my feet. Whoa.
Alright, my feet are dry.
Crusty like my feet.
At least you know. But now we're gonna go to. Why are we chewing like this?
But when it's time to get cute, yo, I be fly though. Oh, parked here.
Well, my car's over there.
Daisy gotta walk amongst her car.
What am I?
Please unmute.
She going to tag.
Why?
So you can park closer.
This is true.
You park right there.
Let me X that out of the video.
What?
Return the card. Return the card. Return the card.
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to Ross now. Okay. Wait, we're driving. It's right there. Driving to Ross. Alright, fun fact, we're going to Ross. Fun fact, I hate Ross. This store is like the one store like it makes you want to feel like they look kind of empty.
Believe in me.
Are they open? It's like 9:10. See, 12 a.m.
Yeah.
I swear to you, 12 a.m. It's open to 12.
You're Ross.
You're rotten.
Someone works so late.
Who comes here so late? People come here.
They bugging.
I told
I
you.
don't know what time the Marshalls close right there then.
This is the new hotspot. Everyone's here. Everyone's here on a Friday night. Deja is loving the way in here looks.
Oh, this is cute. I got
Oh, it's cute. I rock this.
$10.
Oh, you can go here. See when Kita tagged us.
I
Shop
know.
and paint.
I like that.
Maybe you wanted to paint the foot
The
part
legs.
white.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
This is so cute. I can fold my legs.
That's cute.
I like that.
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 I love that.
They fiance. What she said?
Oh, I said in the Buddha.
Why you put on the floor? Oh
Are
my
you dumb?
I'm Cinderella.
No. You're so dumb.
Who's your baby mama? Who's your baby daddy?
Yep, you got a cute outfit.
I didn't get nothing.
I'm like, what'd you say?
That is hideous.
No, she just got a
Nice.
pair of shorts.
Jason.
I mean, it's like an outfit. Huh? She tried on.
So my turn. Cute outfit.
She tried on a cute outfit somewhere
In
else.
Target. In Target.
You want?
Sponsor me. Alright guys, so it's nighttime. Ugh. I am done. My vlog is over for the day. If you want more daily vlogs, let me know. This is kind of fun doing this today. I went to kind of everything you see in the video is what I got. Except for that bar thing, I didn't get that. This lighting is awful right now, but my light up there is out, so I'm using my lamp. But anyways guys, I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for coming along with me to Target and to get food. Bye guys.